Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then of course bounce on the market and look for something to trade. Well, it's been kind of for the most part, last few weeks, it's been kind of a straight shot up for the S&P 500. NASDAQ looks similar. It's even outperformed the S&P 500. You can see it's way up here. S&P obviously kind of was near its old highs. This one's above it. IWM still kind of lagging behind, way down here. Like I said, these are the small cap stocks like banks and stuff like that. So this is still a little bit of like indecision, I guess, in this little market as to why things are bouncing around. But you can see it's obviously lagging way behind the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. But for the most part, volatility in the market, this is volatility, has been kind of going down as the market goes up. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, let's go into silver. SLV is a silver stock, and you can see silver has been on a tear for the last few months, and when that happens, the volatility has also spiked. You can see right here it's up at 53. So as a contrarian, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a trade that assumes that over the next roughly 45 days SLV will start to come down. It may still keep shooting up for a while, but over a 45-day period, my bet is going to be that it starts to kind of drift down after this huge tear up. And that's because I'm a contrarian. I kind of bet against what the market says. When it's shooting straight up, I kind of assume it's going to start to trend back down. Vice versa, if it's taking a dive like here, I usually make a bet that it's going to start to kind of turn around. So in this case, again, we're going to bet it goes down, and the way we do that when volatility is high is we sell a call vertical. So if we go to the trade page, we go over here as close to 45 days as possible. This will be 46 tomorrow. If we open that up, we always sell above where we're at. So the stock is at 22.89, so we'll start by selling the 23 call, buying the 25 call, or the 24 call, depending on if we can get the 33 to 66 cents, 33 to 40 cents per dollar with 66 to 80 for $2. So we start by, let's say, selling this vertical $1 wide, and you can see it fits our rules. It's between 33 and 40 cents, so we're good. Could we go further and could we make it $2 wide? In this case, no, we can't. It does not get to 66 cents, which is our minimum. So I'll go back here. I'm going to be a small trade this week. It's just a $1 wide call spread. We're selling this for 33 to 40 cents. So tomorrow when the market opens up, assuming it opens up right here, we'll sell the call just above it, which is 23, buy the call just below it, which is just above it, which is 24, making a $1 wide vertical, selling it for 33 to 40 cents. In this case, it's perfect at 38. And that is our trade in SLV for tomorrow. Hello everyone, and thank you for taking my courses. I hope you're enjoying them and learning a lot. But I'm sure you'll agree that the more you know about the stock market and trading in general, the better your chances of success, which is why I teamed up with Luca Moschini. Luca teaches a completely different and equally valuable path to making money in the stock market. Now, I've hand-chosen 3 of his courses to introduce you to because I believe they are as valuable as my courses in helping you to reach the ultimate goal, which is generating another income stream and achieving financial freedom. I asked Luca to give you the maximum discount allowed by Udemy, so here it is. Please take advantage of his discount links below. You'll find the attachment in the lecture under the resources. The links are good for the next 30 days, so make sure to take advantage of them before they expire. Good learning and happy trading.